Hi boys and girls, it's story time, and I have a book here called Beach Day, and this story is by Karen Rusa, and the illustrator is Maggie Smith. Excuse me. Waves roar, rush and soar, rolling, crashing to the shore. Rhyming words. And look, or I should say listen. Do you hear the ocean waves while I'm reading the book? It's because it's Ocean Week, right? Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. Oh, look at that. How fun. Look at the pretty water. Sandy knees, foaming seas, insects dancing in the breeze. Let's look at this page first. Look at the baby with, looks like grandma. And look at this side. Oh, they're all having so much fun. Looks like she's putting sunscreen on. Look at that. She's putting sunscreen on her. And do you think the hat is for the little boy or for Mama? What do you think? I don't know. Noon light shimmers bright in the distance, hot and white. Oh my gosh, look at how much fun they're having at the beach. Look at that. Bat, ball, mitt. It's a hit. Leaping, running, lickety-split. Oh, looks like they're playing. Are they playing basketball? Do you see a basket? No. I know. Volleyball. No, I see a bat. And a ball. Right? And mitts. This is baseball. Look at the doggies are looking at them. And that's a lighthouse up there. How exciting. Voices chatter, sand pails clatter, off to lunch with children. No wait, off to lunch the children scatter. They're getting ready for lunchtime. How exciting. That sounds really good right now, lunch. High clouds flurry, hungry swimmers in a hurry. Everyone, what is everybody doing? Or everyone's getting ready to do? What are they doing sitting under the umbrellas? Looks like they're getting ready for lunch. It's time to eat. Lunch. Lunch. They're putting their lunch in their mouth. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet. Seagulls beg. Begs, wait. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet. Seagull begs. Does that rhyme? It's throwing me off a little bit. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet. Seagull begs. I don't know. But anyway, look at all the fun they're eating. She's having deviled eggs and chicken legs. Looks like a soda and more chicken legs and potato chips and maybe some potato salad, and the seagull really wants one. He wants something, huh? Looks like everyone's having so much fun at the beach. Waves lapping, babies napping. On the water, sails are snapping. Oh, look at Oh, what a cute little picture. Look at the babies in the basket. You see that? Sleeping next to mama. And look, there's another baby sleeping. Everyone is tired after they were playing and then they ate. How exciting. That's really cute. Launch a boat, help father float, build a castle with a moat. Oh, they're having so much fun, guys. Look at that. Makes me want to go to the beach. Doesn't that look fun? A day at the beach. Beach day. A freckled nose, ocean's salty sea breeze blows. How fun. Somebody's toes are right there, huh? Whose toes are those? His toes, maybe? And, oh, look at how much fun they're having. Look at the baby. She's playing with mama's leg. It's cute. Time to pack, picnic snack, bright beach towels in a stack. Oh, look, what does she have in her hand? What does she have? A starfish. Look at everyone is getting ready to go. They're getting ready. Late afternoon, supper is soon. Families march across the dune. There go all the families. They're getting ready to go home. Look at that. Sun-warmed skin, contented grin. What a happy day it's been. Everybody had a fun day at the beach. You see that? So much fun. That's it. It says on the sand someone wrote beach day and a castle. And there's a doggy. Hey doggy, what are you doing there by yourself? You need to go home with your family. Oh, I think he's just running over to go meet the family. See that? And the sun is going to get ready to set. The end. Oh, I like that book. I like the fun pictures in the book. What about you guys? What was your favorite picture? I like the baby sleeping in the basket. That was really cute. All right, darlings. I love you with all my heart. Have a wonderful, happy day. Have a happy day. And I will see you tomorrow. What did I say tomorrow? Tomorrow. Okay? I love you. Have a happy day.